Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to play intro part of Shallow, The Star is Born, and it's only going to use 4 chords. If you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so I have to lower it down because when I go up, you cannot see when I play. So I have to lower it like this so you can see clearly. And we have only 4 chords for this. Let's get started. The first chord is going to be E minor, and if you don't know how to tap it, the first finger is going to go here, and the second, and the third. We're going to use 3 fingers for E minor. So it's going to be like this. And then the second chord is going to be D, and D we're only going to use this finger on the second one here, and we're going to tap the first one, the second one, and the third one like this together, and then string it. Sorry. So this is the second chord. We have 4 chords, right? The third chord is going to be G, and G you're going to tap here, and tap here like this. G. And then the C chord, the easiest one, we're just going to use this finger to tap here, the third one, here. Okay, so we finished with our 4 chords. Now let's begin play. So the first, we have 2 parts. The first part we're going to use the E minor, the D, and the G. So this is our first part, and the second part we're going to use C, and then we're going to use G and D. So E minor we use at the first part, okay, and C we are used at the second part. So first E minor, and D, and G. In the second part we're going to use C, and then G, and then D. Okay, so this is the end. Really easy and really nice. I'm gonna play it with my style, so I'm gonna play like this. And then I'm gonna sing. Tell me something. Oh my god, again. Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is this something that you're searching for? I'm falling. And in the good times I feel myself longing for change. And in the good times I feel myself. And then and we're just gonna continue that with Lady Gaga part. So this is the end. I hope you like this video. Bye.